Wood, carpet, concrete, stone and tile. How many machines would it take to clean all of these surfaces? How about just one? Introducing the Pullman Holt Gloss Boss Mini Scrubber and Polisher. Utilizing twin scrubbing brushes, it's the perfect tool to clean any surface. They scrub down deep to remove the toughest stains from carpet. When used in conjunction with the Gloss Boss carpet and rug cleaning solution, you can get any stain out of your carpet. The secret is the specially formulated cleaning solution, which encapsulates the dirt as it dries to a flake, which is then removed through regular vacuuming. No wet carpet, no sticky residue, so your carpet stays cleaner longer. It's so gentle and effective, you can even use it on upholstery. The brushes work wonders on hard floors like garages and workspaces, scouring off grease, oils, and stains. And it will make grout and tile floors sparkling clean. If you've got hardwood floors, use the felt pads and the Gloss Boss Hard Surface Cleaner to clean and shine. No waxy buildup, just beautiful hardwood floors. For cleaning large carpeted areas, the carpet bonnets will lift the dirt out of the carpet fibers. It's great for spot cleaning or for whole rooms, especially with the carpet and rug cleaning solution. But that's not all. The Gloss Boss is the first machine of its kind to use microfiber scrubbing pads, the latest, most advanced material for surface cleaning. Microfiber will absorb liquids and pick up dirt, grease, grime, and dust like a magnet. Best of all, the microfiber pads are easy to clean and reuse. Just wash them in the sink or toss them in the laundry. The Gloss Boss is lightweight and durable, easy to maneuver to get in those tight spots. You can even use it in the car. The Gloss Boss is ideal for use in motels because of its ability to clean a multitude of surfaces and its lightweight design. The Gloss Boss can save you thousands on expensive floor cleaners and treatments. In the office, would you want your cleaning crew to struggle with this giant unwieldy cleaner just for carpets? Or would they prefer the versatile and maneuverable Gloss Boss? It's perfect for any environment, at home or in the workplace. It's like having 4 machines in one.